Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's November 21st, 2011, Monday morning here. And two words, I think, to describe the action here overnight and what we're dealing with to start out the week. And that is confidence and demand. Confidence certainly is an issue that's across all commodity markets here this morning. The super committee that was supposed to work on the budget, come up with a solution in Washington, they're going to make an announcement here this morning that they accomplished nothing, which is certainly frustrating to traders, and that's why we're seeing some selling pressure in commodities. Crude oil down $1.30. Gold, for instance, down $20 as we speak, and the stock market is suggesting they could open as much as 160 lower here this morning. The dollar is a little stronger off of what's going on in Europe. More news out of the European community. Spain elected a new president here over the weekend, which is the Conservative Party has taken control of that government, which leaves some uncertainty there as well, or more uncertainty in the European zone. So that creating some issues here this morning as well. On the demand side, we don't see any more demand announced here overnight. The question will be at 8 o'clock this morning, will the USDA give us any kind of indication on corn, soybeans sold, and we'll have to wait and see. So right now, the 8 a.m. time frame, usually when the USDA announces it, will be watched very closely. Weather conditions in South America continue to be ideal. Don't have any problems down there that we know of. Ukraine is still dry, but again, we're going into dormancy there. Some moisture now would certainly be helpful, but not completely critical at this point in time. Some of the technical news chart-wise in the grain markets, corn this morning is right down on that $6 support area in the December contract. There's good technical support, $5.90 to the $6 area as we look at it. January beans, $11.60 is a key number there. We were trading below that when we closed here at $7.15 this morning, but the key there is to not close below $11.16. So we're going to have to monitor that closely as we progress through the day. And March wheat, $6 is a key support area there. So we're sitting right on some major support areas. If we fall below that, close below those numbers, I think it opens the door for further downside pressure, and we could see quite a few stops being hit here, and could take this market lower at least early this week. The seasonal patterns, however, traders are trying to hang on for some hope. The bulls are anyway, and that seasonally the market rallies, soybeans especially, rally the day before Thanksgiving and the day after. So monitor that closely as well. But with all this other news, we're going to need more help than just a seasonal pattern. In the cattle trade, cattle slaughter last week was down again, 45,000 head, and add that to a 36,000 head decrease the previous week. It's reason for meat prices to firm up. We're seeing some increase in cutout values, and the spread narrowing between the choice and select. It had been extremely wide. It narrowed in on Friday. Choice was down 27, select was up 127. We do have a short kill week this week. We got fill-in buying is probably over with in the cattle. We may see more fill-in buying at the retail counter or retail sector here today for pork, and then usually dries up until after the Thanksgiving holiday. Pork cutout values were up 175 on Friday. Futures closed strong. We'd like to see more follow through there, but with the overall attitude and confidence that commodity traders have, don't be surprised if we see further pressure in the livestock complex here today. So a lot of choppiness ahead of us, I think, this week. We've got a short week here with the markets closed on Thursday and closing at noon on Friday. So a people will even up their books here early in the week, and then usually limit their trading for the balance of the week. So look for some very choppy markets at times, and then very quiet markets at times as well, is what we're expecting here as we move through this this holiday week. Stay tuned to Allendale Research. We'll keep you informed the best we can. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call. And also get signed up for the Allendale Conference. That's coming up on January 20th and 21st. We'd like to have everybody there, and we got a good program put together for you. So have a great trading day, and we will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.